As a basic premise, it should be understood that air traffic control clearances will be based solely on the requirements for providing air traffic control services to aircraft. Its content will include the aircraft identification as shown on the flight plan, the point to which the aircraft is granted a clearance, its clearance limit, the route of the flight levels of the flight, any other useful information such as approach or departure manoeuvres or communication requirements, and the time of expiry of the clearance. All ATC clearances are coordinated with each other, so that aircraft are provided with a service along the entire length of their routes, or specific portions thereof, in 4 differing ways. Firstly, for clearance along the entire route, an aircraft shall be cleared along its whole route to its destination when it has been possible, prior to departure, to coordinate the clearance between all the units under whose control the aircraft will be, or when there is reasonable assurance that prior coordination will be effected between those units under whose control the aircraft will subsequently come. Secondly, partial clearance coordination is when full coordination cannot be assured, so clearance can only be given as far as that point where a control service can be assured. Thirdly, aircraft contact clearance is where an aircraft already en route contacts an air traffic control unit directly for the purpose of seeking onward clearance. And finally, if an aircraft is departing from an aerodrome in a control zone and is planned to enter another control zone within 30 minutes of the planned takeoff time, then the clearance issued will be coordinated between the air traffic control units for the control zones. When it becomes apparent to an air traffic control unit that additional traffic cannot be accommodated within a given time period, at a particular location, in a particular area, or can only be accommodated at a particular rate, then they shall inform air traffic control units controlling aircraft likely to be affected by such difficulties that they may be delayed or subjected to specific restrictions for a specific time for the purpose of avoiding excessive delay. In the European Civil Aviation Authority region, this air traffic flow management, ATFM, is managed by Eurocontrol through the Central Flow Management Unit, the CFMU.